If you've ever dreamed of making money from home using AI, this video is for you. Because in 2025, artificial intelligence isn't just replacing jobs, it's creating amazing new income streams. So today, I'll show you the top 5 AI side hustles that real people are using to earn 500, 1,000, even more, all from home. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech expert. Let's dive right in. First up, AI content creation. Using tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Pika Labs, you can create full YouTube videos, blog posts, or even social media content in hours, not days. Imagine creating a faceless YouTube channel, like this one, using only AI tools for script writing, voiceover, and editing. Once your content starts ranking, you can earn from ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. People are already making thousands every month with zero camera time. Next, use AI tools to offer services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. You can sell logo designs using Leonardo AI, generate blog posts with WriteSonic, or even create product descriptions using Jasper AI. Clients don't care if you used AI. They just want fast, high-quality results. And because AI helps you work faster, you can take more clients and make more money. This one is fun and creative. AI art. Use Midjourney or Ideogram to design unique artwork, posters, or t-shirt designs. Then upload your creations to Redbubble, Etsy, or Teespring. You make money every time someone buys your design. Passive income, 24/7. Some people are earning hundreds of dollars a month from designs they made once. Here's a big opportunity, helping small businesses automate tasks with AI. You can offer services like social media post generation, email marketing with ChatGPT, or customer support automation using Zapier plus OpenAI API. Businesses pay well for time-saving systems, often $500 to $2,000 per setup. You become the AI guy they call when they need automation. And finally, teach what you learn. Use ChatGPT to outline your course or ebook, generate slides with Gamma AI, and record lessons using Synthesia. Upload your course to Udemy or sell your ebook on Gumroad. Every sale is 100% profit once it's made, and it keeps earning while you sleep. So there you go. 5 powerful AI side hustles that can make you money online in 2025. Remember, AI doesn't replace your potential, it multiplies it. Start small, stay consistent, and you'll be amazed by what you can build this year. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. Which AI side hustle will you try first? This is MindNex, helping you work smarter, not harder. See you in the next one.